Yo guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to link a bank account or credit card to Venmo. Let's get straight into the video. Now you can link a bank account by first opening the Venmo app on your mobile device, and then you want to tap the menu icon at the top left corner of the screen, and then just tap settings to access the app settings, and then tap payment methods to access the payment method settings. And then once you're there, just tap add bank account to link a new bank account, and then you just got to choose your bank from the list of available banks, and then you got to enter your bank account details, including your account number and your routing number. And now just verify your bank account by confirming 2 small test deposits made by Venmo. Now to link a credit card, what you want to do is open the Venmo app on your mobile device, and now you want to tap the menu icon at the top left corner of the screen, and now just tap settings to access the app settings, and then tap payment methods to access the payment method settings. Now tap add credit card to link a new credit card, and then just enter your credit card details, including your card number, expiration date, and security code. And now just verify your credit card by confirming a small test charge that's going to be made by Venmo. Now to link a debit card, what you want to do is open the Venmo app on your mobile device, and then just tap the menu icon at the top left corner of the screen, and now you want to tap settings to access the app settings. Next, tap payment methods, and then tap add debit card. Now that's going to help you to link a new debit card, and then just enter your debit card details, including your card number, expiration date, and security code. And next, just verify your debit card by confirming a small test charge that's going to be made by Venmo. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to link a bank account or credit card or debit card to Venmo. I hope you guys found the video useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.